Welcome to our step-by-step storytelling of the Kedarnath Darshan. Nestled in the majestic Himalayas, Kedarnath is one of the most revered pilgrimage sites for Hindus. The journey to Kedarnath is not just a physical trek, but a spiritual adventure that draws devotees from all over the world. In this video, we'll walk you through every stage of the darshan, from preparation to the final blessing at the temple. Whether you're planning your first visit or reliving cherished memory, this guide will help. For setting out on your Kedarnath journey, careful planning is essential. Decide the best time to visit, typically between April and November when the temple is open and the weather is favorable. Book your travel tickets in advance, considering the limited connectivity to the region. Make sure to arrange your accommodation, as the number of pilgrims can be overwhelming during peak season. Also, check the latest government guidelines and registration requirements for the yatra. Preparing in advance. Trekking for Kedarnath requires thoughtful consideration due to the high-altitude terrain and unpredictable weather. Warm clothing is a must even in summer, as temperatures can drop suddenly. Carry sturdy trekking shoes, rain gear, and a first aid kit. Don't forget essentials like ID proof, registration slips, and some dry snacks for the journey. Keeping your backpack light yet complete will help you trek comfortably and stay prepared for any situation along the way. Our journey to Kedarnath begins at Gaurikund, the base camp for the trek. Gaurikund is accessible by road from major towns like Rishikesh and Haridwar. The drive itself is scenic, winding through lush valleys and alongside rushing rivers. Upon arrival, you'll find basic facilities, shops, and places to rest before starting the trek. Take some time to acclimatize, hydrate, and mentally prepare for the adventure ahead. Trek from Gaurikund to Kedarnath is approximately 16 km and can be challenging, especially for first-timers. The path is well marked and maintained, with several rest stops along the way. As you begin, you'll be surrounded by fellow pilgrims, all united by faith and determination. The initial stretch is relatively gentle, allowing you to find your pace and soak in the breathtaking mountain scenery. One of the memorable points on the trek is the Rambara Bridge. This spot offers stunning views of the Mandakini River below and the towering peaks above. It's a popular place for pilgrims to pause, catch their breath, and take in the natural beauty. The sound of the river and the cool mountain breeze provide a refreshing break before continuing the ascent. Throughout the trek, you'll find several rest stops offering tea, snacks, and basic medical aid. These small stalls are lifelines for tired pilgrims, providing much-needed energy and encouragement. Take advantage of these breaks to hydrate, refuel, and interact with fellow travelers. Sharing stories and experiences adds a sense of camaraderie to the journey. As you trek higher, the landscape transforms dramatically. Snow-capped peaks, dense forests, and cascading waterfalls create a mesmerizing backdrop. The air becomes crisper, and the views more breathtaking with every step. Take time to appreciate the untouched beauty of the Himalayas, which makes the journey to Kedarnath truly unforgettable. Those unable to trek the entire distance, ponies and porters are available for hire. These services are a blessing for elderly pilgrims or those with health concerns. The ponies are well trained, and the porters are experienced in navigating the mountain paths. Choosing this option ensures that everyone, regardless of physical ability, can reach the sacred temple. Weather in the Himalayas can change rapidly. Sudden rain, fog, or even snowfall are not uncommon, even during the trekking season. It's important to be prepared for all conditions by carrying rain gear and extra layers. Staying updated on weather forecasts and listening to local advice can help you avoid unnecessary risks and ensure a safe journey. The trek is filled with the sound of spiritual chants and hymns. Pilgrims often sing bhajans or recite mantras, creating a deeply spiritual atmosphere. The collective energy and devotion are palpable, uplifting your spirits and motivating you to keep moving forward. This unique ambience is one of the most cherished aspects of the Kedarnath Yatra. After hours of trekking, the first glimpse of Kedarnath town is truly exhilarating. The small settlement is nestled amidst towering peaks, with the iconic temple standing proudly at its heart. The sense of accomplishment and anticipation grows as you approach your spiritual destination. Take a moment to rest and soak in the awe-inspiring surrounding. Kedarnath offers a range of accommodation options, from basic lodges to government guest houses. Due to the high demand, it's advisable to book in advance or check availability upon arrival. Facilities are simple but adequate for a night's rest. After a long trek, a warm bed and a hot meal are all you need to recharge for the darshan ahead. The atmosphere in Kedarnath town is vibrant and spiritual. Pilgrims from diverse backgrounds gather here, sharing stories and prayers. The air is filled with the aroma of incense and the sound of temple bells. Local shops offer souvenirs, prasad, and essential supplies. The sense of community and devotion is truly heartwarming. Before heading to the temple, freshen up and dress modestly. Carry your offering, such as flowers, incense, or coconut, which can be purchased locally. It's also a good time to reflect and mentally prepare for the spiritual experience ahead. Joining the queue early can help you avoid long waiting times, especially during peak hours. Security is a priority at Kedarnath temple. Before entering, pilgrims must pass through security checks and show their registration slips. Bags are scanned, and certain items may not be allowed inside the temple premises. cooperating with the security staff ensures a smooth and safe darshan experience for everyone. First sight of the Kedarnath temple is awe-inspiring. Set against the backdrop of snow-capped peaks, the ancient stone structure radiates serenity and strength. Pilgrims often pause to offer silent prayer and take in the spiritual energy that surrounds the temple. This moment marks the culmination of your physical journey and the beginning of your spiritual experience. Kedarnath temple is renowned for its unique architecture. Built from massive stone slabs, the temple has withstood centuries of harsh weather and natural disasters. The intricate carvings and the majestic Shikara spire are testaments to ancient craftsmanship. Take a moment to appreciate the history and artistry before entering for darshan. Pilgrims line up in an orderly queue for darshan. The wait can be long, especially during festivals or auspicious days. Use this time for silent prayer, reflection, or chanting. The anticipation builds as you move closer to the sanctum, surrounded by fellow devotees sharing the same sense of devotion and excitement. Entering the sanctum of Kedarnath is a deeply moving experience. The main deity, Lord Shiva in the form of a Jyotirlinga, is adorned with flowers and offerings. The atmosphere inside is charged with devotion. As priests perform rituals and chants echo through the stone wall, take a moment to offer your prayer and absorb the spiritual energy. Pilgrims offer flowers, coconut, and other items to the deity. The priests guide you through the ritual, ensuring everyone gets a chance to seek blessing. The sense of peace and fulfillment that comes from this moment is indescribable. Many choose to sit quietly in the temple courtyard, reflecting on their journey and expressing gratitude. After darshan, devotees receive prasad, a sacred offering from the temple. This simple act is filled with meaning, symbolizing the blessings of Lord Shiva. Many pilgrims share prasad with fellow travelers, strengthening the bonds of community and faith. It's a cherished tradition that marks the completion of the darshan. The temple complex includes several smaller shrines and sacred spots. Take time to explore these areas, each with its own unique significance. The peaceful environment encourages reflection and meditation. You may also witness special rituals or aarti ceremony, adding to the spiritual richness of your visit. The evening aarti at Kedarnath is a mesmerizing experience. The temple is illuminated with lamps, and the air is filled with the sound of bells and chants. Pilgrims gather in large numbers to witness this beautiful ritual, which marks the end of the day and invokes divine blessing. The spiritual energy during aarti is truly uplifting. Many pilgrims choose to stay overnight in Kedarnath to fully absorb the spiritual atmosphere. The nights are cold but peaceful, with the temple standing silently under the starlit sky. It's a time for rest, reflection, and connecting with fellow devotees. Early risers can also attend the morning rituals at the temple. The temple opens early in the morning for special rituals and prayers. The crisp mountain air and the first rays of sunlight create a magical setting. Participating in the morning aarti is a privilege, offering a sense of renewal and spiritual awakening. It's the perfect way to start your day before preparing for the return journey. Before leaving, take some time to explore the local shops in Kedarnath. You'll find souvenirs, religious items, and local handicraft. Purchasing these items supports the local economy and provides lasting memories of your pilgrimage. Don't forget to try some local snacks and interact with the friendly shopkeeper. Leaving Kedarnath is always bittersweet. The memories of the journey, the darshan, and the spiritual experiences stay with you long after you depart. As you begin your descent, take a final look at the temple and the majestic mountains, carrying the blessings and peace you've received back to your daily life. The return trek to Gaurikund is easier but still requires caution. Take your time, watch your step and rest as needed. The path is the same, but the perspective is different, filled with a sense of accomplishment and gratitude. Gaurikund welcomes you back with warm food and a chance to rest before continuing your journey home. Gaurikund is famous for its natural hot springs, believed to have healing properties. Many pilgrims take a dip in these waters before or after the trek. The warm water soothes tired muscles and provides a refreshing end to your pilgrimage. It's a tradition that adds to the holistic experience of Kedarnath darshan. After completing your darshan, plan your return journey carefully. Check transportation options from Gaurikund to your next destination. It's wise to have flexible travel plans, as weather or road conditions can sometimes cause delays. Stay connected with your group and keep emergency contacts handy for a safe return. Once you're back home, take time to reflect on your Kedarnath journey. Many pilgrims choose to share their experiences with family and friends, inspiring others to undertake the pilgrimage. The stories, photos, and memories become a source of joy and spiritual growth, keeping the connection to Kedarnath alive in your heart. Health and safety are paramount during the Kedarnath Yatra. Stay hydrated, eat light meals, and avoid overexertion. If you have any health concerns, consult a doctor before the trip, carry necessary medications, and be aware of altitude sickness symptoms. Following these tips ensures a safe and enjoyable pilgrimage. Preserving the pristine environment of Kedarnath is everyone's responsibility. Avoid littering, use eco-friendly products, and respect local customs. Carry your waste back and support initiatives that protect the Himalayas. Being mindful of your impact helps preserve this sacred place for future generations. Kedarnath is not just a temple, it's a symbol of faith, endurance, and devotion. The journey tests your physical and mental strength, while the darshan offers spiritual solace. Understanding the deeper significance of this pilgrimage enriches the entire experience, making it more than just a visit to a holy site. Kedarnath is steeped in legends and mythology. According to ancient texts, the temple was built by the Pandavas to seek forgiveness from Lord Shiva. The stories of divine miracles and the temple's resilience through natural disasters add to its mystique. Learning about these legends deepen your appreciation for the site. The region around Kedarnath is rich in culture and tradition. Interacting with locals gives you insight into their way of life, customs, and festivals. Their hospitality and warmth make the pilgrimage even more memorable. Respecting local traditions fosters mutual understanding and enriches your journey. Kedarnath offers countless opportunities for photography. Capture the stunning landscapes, vibrant temple scene, and candid moments with fellow pilgrims. Remember to be respectful while taking photos, especially inside the temple. These pictures will serve as lasting memories of your spiritual adventure. The ideal time to visit Kedarnath is from late April to early November. During this period, the weather is relatively stable, and the temple is open to pilgrims. Avoid the monsoon months due to the risk of landslides and road closures. Planning your trip during the recommended season ensures a safer and more enjoyable experience. Kedarnath is a family-friendly pilgrimage, with facilities and services catering to all age groups. Traveling with family adds joy and support to the journey. Ensure everyone is prepared for the trek, and consider hiring ponies or porters for elderly members. Sharing the darshan experience strengthens family bonds and creates lifelong memory. Many choose to undertake the Kedarnath Yatra alone, seeking solitude and self-discovery. Solo travelers often find the journey transformative, with ample opportunities for reflection and personal growth. The supportive community of fellow pilgrims ensures you're never truly alone, making it a safe and rewarding experience. Senior citizens are welcomed and supported throughout the Kedarnath journey. Special facilities, such as pony rides and medical assistance, make the pilgrimage accessible for all. With proper planning and care, seniors can safely enjoy the spiritual and scenic wonders of Kedarnath. Traveling in a group adds a sense of camaraderie and support to the Kedarnath Yatra. Group members can motivate each other, share responsibilities, and create collective memories. Coordination and communication are key to ensuring everyone's safety and enjoyment throughout the journey. Many pilgrims choose to give back to the local community by supporting charitable initiatives or volunteering. Donating to local causes or participating in cleanup drives helps sustain the region and supports those who make the pilgrimage possible. Acts of kindness enhance the spiritual rewards of your journey. Kedarnath Darshan is a journey of faith, endurance, and transformation. From the challenging trek to the spiritual fulfillment at the temple, every step is filled with meaning. As you return home, carry the blessings and lessons of Kedarnath with you, letting them inspire and guide you in your daily life. May your pilgrimage be safe, memorable, and spiritually enriching.